Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing credentials and installing the client so you can call the API immediately. Create a service account, generate an API key or OAuth token, and place it in an environment variable. Once done, install the official SDK or a maintained HTTP client and confirm the package version. Make sure to restrict the key scope and allowed IPs to reduce risk. Now run a simple authentication test. A single request to a ping or version endpoint to confirm connectivity before continuing. You need to design precise requests and robust handling to get reliable results. Define the payload schema and required headers, and decide on synchronous versus asynchronous calls. Implement retry logic with exponential backoff and honor rate limit headers to avoid throttling. Validate and sanitize user input before sending, then parse and normalize responses for your app. Also log request ID and timestamps for traceability. Once this layer is solid, you can iterate on prompts or parameters to improve accuracy without changing infrastructure. You finish by validating behavior and deploying safely. Run integration and load tests, then deploy gradually with feature flags or a canary to limit blast radius. Monitor latency, error rates, and cost metrics. Set alerts for anomalies. Ensure logging captures request payloads, response codes, and ID so you can replay issues. If something breaks, start by inspecting request logs for malformed payloads or truncated responses. Then replicate locally with the same headers and key. Make fixes, roll forward, and document the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.